Hello, welcome to Learn Mathematics. In this video, I am going to solve a question. The question is from real analysis. The question was there in CISR UGC NET, December 2011. The question is, which of the following statement is true? Here, there are four options, and we have to find the correct option. Let's try to solve the problem. Option 1. In two parts. First part is limit x tends to infinity log x by x to the power 1 by 2 equals to 0. Let's check whether this statement true or not. So if we evaluate log x at x equals to infinity and x to the power 1 by 2 at x to infinity, we can check that this is 0 by 0 form, infinity by infinity form. So we can use L'Hopital rule here, and using L'Hopital rule we can write it as limit x tends to infinity. Derivative of log x is 1 by x, and derivative of x to the power 1 by 2 x to the power minus half, and this is actually equals to limit x tends to infinity. This is 2 x to the power 1 by 2 by x, and this is actually equals to limit x tends to infinity. We can take 2 outside of the limit, and so this can be written as 1 by x to the power 1 by 2. Since limit x tends to infinity, x to the power 1 by x to the power 1 by 2 is equals to 0. This is 2 into 0, so this is 0. Thus this limit is equals to 0. So this one is correct. Now we have to check whether this option is correct or not. So it is given that limit x tends to infinity log x by x equals to infinity. So limit x tends to infinity log x by x equals to infinity, it is given. But substituting x equals to infinity in this expression, we can check that this is infinity by infinity form. So we can use L'Hopital rule in this case. So this is limit x tends to infinity, derivative of log x is 1 by x, and derivative of x is 1. So using that we can write this is 0 by 1, as limit x tends to infinity 1 by x is 0, and this is 1, so this is equals to 0. But in the option it is given that this limit should be infinity, but thus this is incorrect, and so this option is incorrect. Now second option it is given that limit x tends to infinity log x by x to the power 1 by 2 equals to infinity. But in the first option we have checked that this is equals to actually 0. This is actually 0. Thus this is a correct. This is an incorrect option, and this is not true. Now third. So in third cases, this option is correct as we have checked in the first option, and this option is also correct as we have checked in the first option. Hence option 3 is correct. Thus option 4 is also incorrect because this limit exists. Hence option 3 is correct.